In this video, we will show the process of staking ELRON tokens on the ELRON Web3 platform. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and ensure that you have selected the BNB Smart Chain network. Before staking, make sure you have some ELRON tokens in your wallet. If you're unsure about how to purchase ELRON tokens, please refer to the tutorial video link in the description below. Then, navigate to ELRON Web3 platform, app.elron.io. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the ELRON Web3 platform. Once you are connected, select the ELRON farm. Approve stake. You have the option to select max or use default value. Click on Stake button. Enter the desired amount you wish to stake. A MetaMask transaction window will pop up. Confirm the transaction to proceed with the staking process. After a few moments, you will see your ELRON tokens successfully staked on the platform. Congratulations! You have now successfully staked your ELRON tokens on the ELRON Web3 platform.